Hey everyone, join us on this new Quore AI exploratory journey. Let's dive into the definition of individual identity. How do we screen it? How do we use it as a drive to fuel our aspirations, skill building, and relationships? Individual identity is the evolving synthesis of personal values, aspirations, skills, and experiences unique to a person. For a middle-class individual in a developed country, it encompasses career ambitions, consumption habits, educational background, lifestyle preferences, like work-life balance and relationships. It is shaped by self-perception, societal roles, such as parent or professional, and cultural engagement, like hobbies and art. Identity here prioritizes autonomy, self-improvement, and material stability, reflecting both intrinsic traits like resilience and curiosity, and extrinsic markers such as professional titles and consumer choices. Now, how can you screen your identity? Reflect on core values like integrity or creativity, passions, and recurring life themes through journaling or feedback. Ask yourself, what activities energize you? What principles guide your decisions? How do others describe your strengths? You can use tools like SWOT analysis, which assesses strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, or try value sorting exercises. Articulate your identity in statements such as, I prioritize innovation and collaboration, thrive in structured environments, and derive meaning from mentoring others. Once you have completed the screening, you will be able to decide whether the elements that make up your identity can be considered a motivation or a hindrance. For example, recognizing a propensity for meticulousness, which is solidity, could drive a career in data analysis, turning detail-orientedness into expertise. Conversely, acknowledging a fear of risk, which is frailty, might push one to pursue incremental entrepreneurial ventures like launching a side business. Not knowing your identity may lead to misaligned goals. A lawyer lacking fulfillment due to unaddressed creative needs might underperform. Blaming stagnation on an unclear identity is partially valid without self-awareness. Choices may lack alignment, sapping motivation. However, external factors like systemic barriers and resources also shape outcomes, necessitating balanced accountability. We've reached the end of part 1 of our exploration of identity. See you soon for part 2. Until then, stay curious and focused. Peace.